Hey, hi everyone, welcome to Eminence Technology Solution. In this presentation, I'm going to give you a brief idea regarding the manual testing services offered by TETS. So we are doing testing for mobile applications, web application, desktop applications, API testing. Then for gaming products also we are doing and AI product testing, that is called chatbot, voice bot, like that we are doing. Now I'm going to clearly explain the work procedure done for manual testing. So initially we will prepare test scenarios and we walk through with our customers. According to their feedback only, we will start writing the test cases, and sometimes writing test scenarios or test cases are not needed. Then we will directly start writing the test case descriptions alone and we will start executing the test. Mainly, we will prepare the reusable test cases to support future releases and regression cycles. Once after completing all these executions, we will put up as a summary report which provides you a complete overview of testing activities like total test cases and the execution results with the status like whether it is pass or fail and the defect summary sheet with overall product quality insights. And the management tools we use here is Zira, Bugzilla, and Trello for the complete test lifecycle management. Here I can able to show the test summary report of our prestigious client called HES for whom we have done a number of projects. Initially, we will be start writing with the test cases along with the status whether it is pass or fail. Then comes with the defect sheet like what is each and every defect and what are the steps to reproduce it, and we will show with the screenshots. And finally, we will sum up with the test result dashboard. In the next few slides, we will be go through each and every testing. When it comes to web application testing, we will be performing end-to-end testing across the business requirements. Our testing covers a real-world user scenarios, UI and usability validation testing, accessibility testing, whether all the disabled persons can able to use this web application, and main thing user can be from different browsers across Chrome, Firefox, Safari. So we have to check the compatibilities on different devices. Yeah. Then comes the mobile application testing. Here, our tester initially analyze the complete applications flow. What will be the OS compatibility and what all the supporting devices and how it will be working under different network conditions. So these are the things that will be covered in manual testing to give you the complete coverage across different mobile environments. We take the help of browser stack and source labs to test a wide range of real world techniques like each and every person will be using different Android mobile and different iOS and tablets, and there will be a different screen size also, but our motto is to get the appropriate functionality given by the our client. So these are the things will be followed in mobile application. Then here comes this API testing. We validate API functionality by testing endpoints for request and response accuracy, data validation, status code, and error handling. Here we use Postman application to organize API tests into a structured collection so that we can able to ensure the full coverage across each and every methods like get, post, put, delete, and patch. And main thing, API response are thoroughly validated to ensure correct status handling, whether it is delivering accurate data and optimal performance. Finally, we will give you a clear documentation which consists of detailed defect reports, test summary report covering execution, coverage, and the risk which is going to happen. Everything we will give you a perfect documentation form. And here comes this desktop application testing. Our tester will validate the core functionality and end-to-end workflow of the desktop application is meeting the business requirements. And mainly, we will ensure that compatibility of an application across different OS, different versions, and system configuration. Our testers will install the application in the desktop and they will check back what all the things happening and what is the query messages coming like upgradation, rollback, and again they will uninstall the application and check the scenarios what all they passed by. The testing, which is the main thing handled over here, is file handling, whether the database and the query message is properly fetching or not, how the database interaction is going on. Like these kind of testing is followed in desktop application. And here comes a very interesting testing and playful testing called game testing. So we are doing game testing for VR, which is a current boom in the gaming technology and also online betting games. So in VR, testers has to validate the 3D environments and what all the objects is getting properly interacted so that our user can able to access the gaming app and get the smoothful gameplay experience till the end. Then comes the online betting game. It's a very risky factor. We have to check the performance and accuracy from end to end, like a game logic, payout calculations, so that we have to check in the real time gameplay, and also in certain time period, multi users has to interact on it. Not only performance and accuracy, we have to check whether this app is perfect for cross-platform and what will be the device compatibility. Like a user may use on PC or in mobile, and VR devices has to match the criteria under different performance like resolutions, graphic settings, and what will be the frame rates. And the user has to get the perfect gameplay experience. Yeah. And finally comes the AI product testing. Nowadays, AI takes a replacement of humans everywhere. So the testers need to put more effort in validating conversational AI and voice bots to ensure accuracy and performance, and whether chatbots can able to understand the natural language for the multi-turn conversations, like speech to text and text to speech, to maintain the accuracy and audio clarity and response latency. Yeah. In Eminence, we will be serving all over the world for different industries like e-learning, logistics, banking applications, HR payroll process, and gaming applications also. So thank you so much for being kind and go through all those testings what we are doing here. And I have shared my official mail ID and WhatsApp number also. If there is any queries, kindly ping me back. I'm there to support you always. Yeah, thank you so much.